Hi there, it's just a very quick hello. I just wanted to do another quick video to identify the herbs that I planted the other day in the window box and a couple of pots in the back garden. So here's a quick video just to explain the herb names and just a little bit about them. So enjoy, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now. Okay, so let's go out into the garden. It's raining very slightly. So, hello pigeon. So what we got? So first of all, we've got tarragon. Now I don't know whether you can see, it's growing back and it will eventually look like this. And this is French tarragon. Then this is lemon thyme. So thyme is characterised by these tiny little leaves. Let's see if we can zoom in. There we are. And if I crush, it's got a sort of lemony, soapy smell to it. And then we've got garlic chives. I'm actually not getting any smell off that at all. I'm not sure why that is. Then we've got purple sage, which has got a nice sagey, strong sagey smell. Very herby. And then we've got a green sage there. And again, that's a stronger herby smell. And here are my petunias, which are all coming on, waiting to go out to the front, and the flowers are absolutely beautiful. Let me zoom in on one. Very pretty. And then there's a slightly darker one over here. Which is lovely. So yeah, they're eventually going to go onto the front window, and I've cleaned up the front window and the front garden, which is a job for the weekend. So what else? We've got rosemary down here, and this is characterised by its sort of almost pine needle like leaves. Now, rosemary's got a very distinct, almost antiseptic smell. Hello pigeon. He's trying to get the fat balls. Oh, and it's the collar dove. So pretty. Anyway, back to the herbs. And then finally, this one is oregano, or oregano, as people call it in the States. And this one is quite a bitter herb, but it goes beautifully with pasta, pizzas, combined with, cheese, tomato, and other herbs. I've had this plant for a while. It's a bit straggly, so I'm just letting it recover, and then I'll probably give it a trim back. But we will use these. We use these herbs quite regularly. So there you go. There's some herb identification for you. I'll just leave you with a view of the garden, which needs a bit of a tidy up, which I'm going to be doing this weekend. So I need to get rid of the forget-me-nots that have now gone over and finished, but they've set their seeds, a lot of them. Let's just show you. What I tend to do with the forget-me-nots is I tend to broadcast the seed. So, as you can see, loads of seeds on each bit. Let's just zoom in a bit. There we are, you can just about see. What I tend to do is I tend to just make sure that the seeds are distributed to the areas that I want the forget-me-nots to grow in next year. And that's what I do. It's very overcast and slightly humid weather this evening. Yep, all needs a good tidy up. Look at this beautiful rose here. That's come over from next door. So, there we go. That's all for this evening. We're going to have our dinner shortly, and it is starting to try and rain. Just feeling some raindrops.